Hello guys, welcome to Disha study. In this session, we will do 30 previous year questions from the economics which asked in the previous SSC examination conducted from 2010 onwards up to 2023. And this is the 8th part of this series, and the link of this series playlist you will find in the description box. So let us start with the question. First is, name the committee formed for the village and small scale industries in 1955. A option is Rangarajan Committee, B option is Basel Committee, C option is Karve Committee, and the last option is Narasimha Committee. The right answer is option C, that is Karve Committee. Next question is, blank was an act passed to make a provision for levy and collection of tax on intra-state supply of goods or services. Your A option is the Central Goods and Services Tax Act, B option is the Central Gifts and Services Tax Act, C option is the Central Goods and Secured Tax Act, and the last option is the Cost of Goods and Services Tax Act. So the right answer is option A, that is the Central Goods and Services Tax Act, जिसको लाया गया था 2017 में. ओके एंड गाइस, ये क्वेश्चन आपके लिए सभी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है अगर इकोनॉमिक्स जो है आपके एग्जाम के सिलेबस का पार्ट है. ओके सो इसको ऐसा मान के मत चलिएगा कि ये एसएससी में पूछे गए हैं तो सिर्फ इसी के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो आप सभी जिस किसी भी एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो आप उनके लिए इसको इन क्वेश्चंस को कंसीडर कर सकते हो. राइट. Next question is, in India, a small scale industry is defined with reference to the blank. Your A option is maximum number of directors, B option is the maximum number of partners, C option is the maximum number of employees, and the last option is maximum investment allowed on the assets of a unit. So right answer is option D, that is maximum investment allowed on the assets of a unit. Next question is, what is a group of industries that tend to come together to make use of advantages offered by the urban centers known as? A option is rural economies, B option is amalgamation economies, C is the urban economies, and D is the agglomeration economies. So the right answer is option D, that is agglomeration economies. Next question is, which of the following is considered a capital expense? A option is pension, B option is the payment of salaries, C option is the subsidies, and D option is the construction of school building. The right answer is option D, that is construction of school buildings. Next is, which of the following functions of government budget is associated with distribution of income? First is the allocation function and second function is the redistribution function. So the correct option is the option D, that is only 2. It means only second function is the correct. Next question is, which of the following statements is true? First statement is, waste bill of the government is a capital expenditure. Second statement is, disinvestment by the government in a company is a capital receipts. So the correct option is option D, that is only second statement is true. Next question is, which one of the following is not a quantitative credit control measure of a central bank? A option is bank rate policy, B is the open market operation, your C option is the cash reserve ratio, and the D option is the moral suasion. The right answer is the option D, that is moral suasion. जो moral suasion है, it is under the qualitative method. Okay, RBI क्रेडिट कंट्रोल को मेजर करने के लिए या क्रेडिट को कंट्रोल करने के लिए दो तरह के मेथड को फॉलो करता है, दैट इज क्वांटिटेटिव एंड क्वालिटेटिव. सो मॉरल सुएशन इज अंडर द क्वालिटेटिव मेथड. ओके, और यहाँ पर जो बैंक रेट है, ओपन मार्केट ऑपरेशन है, कैश रिजर्व रेशियो है, स्टैट्यूटरी लिक्विडिटी रेशियो है, ये आते हैं अंडर द क्वांटिटेटिव मेथड. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन example for non-banking financial institution? A option is Reserve Bank of India, B is the SBI, C option is the Indian Overseas Bank, that is IOB, and the last is the LIC. So the right answer is option D, that is LIC, that is Life Insurance Corporation. Next is the, from which of the following banks did Madan Mohan Malviya takes loan for financing the Hindustan Times? A option is PNB, B is the Bank of Maharashtra, C option is the Bank of Baroda, and D option is the State Bank of India. So the right answer is option A, that is Punjab National Bank. Now the next question is, Imperial Bank was constituted in the year? A option is 1930, B option is 1935, C option is 1955, and the last option is 1921. So Imperial Bank was constituted in the year 1921. Now the next question is, the 1 rupee note bears the signature of? A option is Governor of RBI, B option is Finance Minister, C option is Secretary of the Ministry of Finance, and the last option is none of these. So right answer is option C, that is the Secretary of Finance Ministry. Next is which of the following is known as the soft loan window of the World Bank? A option is IDA, B option is IBRD, C option is IFC, and the D option is MIGA. So soft loan window of the World Bank is the IDA, that is International Development Association. So option A is the right answer. Okay, the next is money in India consists of blank. Your A option is paper currency, B is the current deposits, C option is the metallic coins, and D option is the all options are correct. The right answer is option D, that is all options are correct. Now the next question is the state financial corporations have given assistance mainly to develop blank. A option is agriculture farms, B option is cottage industries, C option is medium and small scale industries, and the last option is large scale industries. So right answer is option C, that is medium and small scale industries. Now the next question is the existence of a parallel economy blank. A option is makes money more competitive. B option is the existence of parallel economy or black money makes the monetary policies less effective. Your C option is ensures a better distribution of income and wealth. And D option is ensure increasing productive investment. So the right answer is option B, that is existence of parallel economy makes the monetary policies less effective. Next question is which of the following cannot be called a debt instrument as referred in financial transaction? Your A option is certificate of deposits, B option is bonds, C option is stocks, and the last option is commercial papers. So the right answer is option C, that is stocks. Now the next question is the under GST regime in composite scheme taxpayers have to fill returns blank. A option is monthly, B option is half yearly, C option is quarterly, and D option is bi-monthly. So right answer is option C, that is quarterly. Now the next question is recession is blank. A option is reduction in production and employment for want of sufficient demand for goods. B option is rise in the cost of production, especially because of wage increase. C option is increase in money supply without a matching increase in production. And D is no option is correct. So recession को जो well define कर रहा है वो है option A, that is reduction in production and employment for want of sufficient demand of goods. Now the next question is functional finance is associated with A option is Adam Smith, B option is A option is Adams, B option is Adam Smith, C option is Adolf Wagner, and D option is Abba P. Lerner. So right answer is option D, that is Abba P. Lerner. Next question is an increase in the money supply will cause interest rates to blank. A option is rise, B is fall, C option is the remain unchanged, and D option is the no option is the correct. So an increase in the money supply cause the interest rates to fall. So option B is the right answer. Next question is economic growth is usually coupled with blank. A option is deflation, B is inflation, C option is stagflation, and the D option is hyperinflation. The right answer is option B, that is inflation. Now the next is blank is the rate at which commercial banks borrow from the Reserve Bank of India in the event of any shortfall of funds. A option is reverse repo rate, B option is the market rate, your C option is repo rate, and the D option is exchange rate. The right answer is option C, repo rate. Next question is by which of the following organizations is commodity market regulated? A option is NSE, B option is BSE, C option is RBI, and the last option is SEBI. So right answer is option D, that is Securities and Exchange Board of India. Next question is which of the following statement is not true about the Export-Import Bank of India, that is Exim Bank? A option is its main objective is to provide financial assistance to promote Indian exports. B option is it is premier export finance institution of India. C option is the bank provides assistance in helping Indian firms in their globalization efforts. And D option is it was established in 2014 under the Export-Import Bank of India Act. So the right answer is option D, that is it was established in 2014 under the Export Import Bank of India. Okay, इसको establish किया गया था in the year 1982 में. So that's why this statement is incorrect. Now the next is, if there is a lack of money supply in comparison to the supply of goods and services, then the possible consequence would be blank. A option is hyperinflation, B option is deflation, C option is devaluation, and D option is inflation. The right answer is option B, that is there is a deflation. Next question is, a sustained rise in general price level in an economy is called blank. Your A option is disinflation, B is deflation, C option is inflation, and D option is stagflation. So right answer is option C, that is inflation. Next is, minimum support price, that is MSP, is recommended by blank. Your A option is the Commission for Weights and Measures, B option is the Food Safety and Standard Authority of India, C option is the Farmers Welfare Society, and D option is the Commission for Agriculture Costs and Prices. Okay, so the right answer is option D, that is the Commission for Agriculture Costs and Prices. Now the next question is, a blank occurs when a government's total expenditures exceed the revenue that it generates, excluding money from the borrowings. Your A option is current account deficit, B option is budgetary deficit, C option is revenue deficit, and the last option is fiscal deficit. Okay, so the right answer is option D, that is fiscal deficit. Now the next and the last question of this session is, a situation where the expenditure of the government exceeds its revenue is called blank. A option is default financing, B is the deficit revenue, C is the budget deficit, and D option is the default revenue. The right answer is option C, that is budget deficit. So that's it guys, I hope that you love the content. So please like the video, and for more videos visit the description box, and also stay tuned with this channel. We will meet soon in the next session. Till then, bye bye and take care.